Welcome to the showroom. Today we're going to talk about the pizza turret. The pizza turret is a really nice option with a small pizza wheel here to slit all your rolls at the same time. It really improves performance. So normally without a turret option, you have to change each roll individually and it takes time. With the pizza turret, you pull the handle, you change all rolls in one go, and then the machine does a quick turn. Even better, the machine stops automatically right between the labels. So now we're gonna take it for a little spin and then enjoy the efficiency.